the taste of Vietnam. My name is Olaf. I'm a chef, writer and photographer who dives into the culinary heart of the Quang Nam region. Getting inspired by local food and ingredients to find my own style and create new dishes for the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An. Thanks to the French, Vietnam is one of the East Asian countries with a tradition of baking baguette. The so-called Banh Mi is a very common street food in whole Vietnam. Different ingredients like mayonnaise, by the way, very French too, sausages, eggs, fresh herbs and colorful veggies are the classy way to prepare it. It's crispy from the outside and very delicious from the inside. I really love it and I can't get enough. As I am on the beautiful seaside of central Vietnam, I would love to create a banh mi with some fresh fish. This is how I made it. Cleaning a local fish, in this case it's a flying fish, cutting the pineapple, some fresh chili, the basil and mix it all together. Fry the fish in a hot pan, season it with salt and put it by the side. Cut some fresh onions, don't forget the mayonnaise and combine everything together in a fresh, crispy banh mi. Well, that was a pleasure for me to create this recipe for the menu of the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An.